Okay, as promised, the outside tour. It's freezing cold. Here's our goaty doties. Hello, goats. Good boys and girl. So, trailer full of wooden stuff like that. Lovely jubbly. Pond's got a touch of ice on it. I don't know if you can see that down there. You're just going to have to bear with me as I wobble down the drive. Now this is where it will get interesting because we leave internet connection behind. So we're going to try our very best. And here we go. Here's the outside of the laundry building as is at the moment. And I think we're probably going quite a lot of changes to make here. Obviously, these little houses are going to come off the outside. You can see there's quite a lot of water damage that we're going to have to deal with here. All very hollow. And very, very hollow. So the plan is to change this door out, these windows, and this door down here.